I'm here with the Jazzy Carbon HD and the Jazzy Carbon 27. I want to show you how to lock and unlock your joystick. So in order to lock it, you're going to make sure it's on. You're going to hold the power button down, and while you're pressing the power button, you're going to push the joystick forward and then backward. You're not going to hold it, you're just going to push it forward and back. So it'll go like this. We'll hold that button down and then forward, back. Then when you let go, it'll start beeping. Now this is a security feature. Some people like to lock the joystick so they feel like their chair won't get stolen and it won't drive, and it will automatically shut off after about 7 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and power it off for now. Oh, oops. I'm going to go ahead and power it off for now. And if you want to disable the lock and unlock feature, because some people accidentally will do it, you have to turn the power on, and then within that time frame, because it will time out, so once you turn the power on, you're going to hold the power button again for about 2 seconds, and then just like we did earlier, forward, back. Relatively quickly too. You don't want to be holding it like that. You're going to go forward, back while you're pressing this down. So I'm going to turn it back on. It's still locked. You can hear it beeping. We're going to hold this down for about 2 seconds, and then forward, back. It stops beeping, and then we can drive again. So that's how you lock and then unlock the joystick on the Jazzy Carbon HD and the Jazzy Carbon 27.